All right, 2 more boxes going out to Brad here. 2015 Immaculate Baseball. Good luck once again. And as always, thank you very much from all of us for breaking today. All right, let's go. First up, Albert Pujols out of 99. Next, a jumbo swatch of Jamison Taillon, 47 of 49. Next is a quad patch of Archie Bradley. 2 regular jerseys on top, 2 patches on the bottom, numbered 9 of 25. Another Archie Bradley card. Got a jersey piece of 99. Next up, Byron Buxton jersey, numbered 58 of 99. Autograph of Christian Walker, 77 of 99. And the final card, autograph patch, Michael Franco, numbered 40 of 99. All right, here we go for box 2 there, Brad. Next up, base card, Corey Kluber, 25 of 25. Next is a patch card of Miguel Sano, numbered 90 of 99. Dual jersey, Yasmani Tomas, 56 of 99 on that one. Jersey of Manuel Margot, number 72 of 99. Immaculate Heroes jersey of Mike Schmidt, number 2 of 25. 400 more Panini points. And final card, Collegiate Ink, Stephen Piscotty, number 57 of 79. Okay, Brad, thanks again. Hope you enjoyed all these breaks, and we'll try to get everything shipped out if we can today for you. Thank you.